Stock market crash coming because a famous short seller bought $1.6 billion worth of put options against the market. False. Fake news. Just wrong. People on social media and even some media outlets are clearly showing that they can't read filings. So let me teach you. According to Scion Asset Management's 13F filing, aka Michael Burry's investment firm, you can see that the SPY put options here have a market value or notional value of $886,560,000. And you can see that it says shares held are 2 million, but there's an explanation for this. So on a 13F filing, options are shown with a market value that is equivalent to if you converted all of those contracts into shares of the underlying asset, in this case, SPY, right? So if you have $886,560,000 and SPY on June 30th at the close, which is what this market value is based off of in this filing, that is 443.28. All right, so you end up with 2 million shares here. What you have to do though is, because each put option contract is tied to 100 shares, this means you divide this number by 100 and you actually get the true number of options contracts, or 20,000 contracts. Again, to do the math in reverse, think of it this way: 20,000 put options, that is tied to 100 shares each, so 2 million shares times 443.28, the closing price of SPY on June 30th. And there you go. You get the market value of all of those contracts. So it's very misleading, and people are using this on social media to spread fear and just wrong information. And with those 20,000 contracts, we don't know what strike price that was. We don't know what the value was per contract that he paid for them. Could have been $1, could have been $100. So we don't know, but 20,000 contracts is not actually that much. Even if you didn't know how to do the math, it's very simple to see that Michael Burry's investment firm doesn't even have $1.6 billion in assets under management. So how would he invest $1.6 billion into put options? You can see in their previous filing that they only had $106 million invested. And frankly, it's possible that Burry already even liquidated his position because he was down on that throughout the past 2 months. Now, if you do want to be a well-informed investor, make sure to follow Stock Dads.